In this video, you'll learn how to find medical articles in CINAHL. CINAHL is a library database and one of the best places to find articles about health and medicine. First, head to the library website, then select Databases. Once you are in Databases A to Z, type CINAHL into the search box. Then, select CINAHL. Now we are on the CINAHL homepage where you'll type in your keywords. Let's say you want to find articles about blood clots. You'll type blood clots in quotes to glue the keywords into a phrase and then hit search. Our search found over 9,000 articles. That's a lot of information. Luckily, we can use limiters and add additional keywords to reduce that to a more manageable number. First, to find more recent information, we'll select past 5 years in the all-time drop-down menu. Then we'll add additional keywords to our search. Let's say we're interested in learning about blood clots in patients with pancreatic cancer. We'll add a capitalized "and" to ensure both phrases are present in the search results and type pancreatic cancer in quotes. Now, we've narrowed the search results to a more manageable number. You can read articles immediately with an Access Now button. There may also be an Access Options button with options to download a PDF or read the full text article online in your browser. If you see a Find It at UNI button under Access Options, you'll need to check the library catalog to see if you have access to it through another database. For example, after selecting Find It at UNI, you can read this article online through Elsevier Journals or PubMed Central. If you don't see an option under View Online, you will need to submit a request for the article. If you need help requesting an article, contact the library. Now, let's look at the second article in the search results by selecting the title. Start by reading the abstract section, which provides a short summary of the article. This allows you to gain an understanding of the content before reading the full article, helping you to be more efficient with your research. If you find the article relevant to your topic and want to read it, select the Access Now button. This will take you to a page where you can read the article in your browser or download a PDF version. Each article includes major and minor subjects. Researchers use different terms for the same concept, and subject headings group those terms into a single preferred term to make finding related articles easier. The preferred subject heading for blood clots, for example, is thrombosis. If you select any of the subjects, you'll find more articles about the same topic. Some terms are listed as major subjects, which means they are a major topic for the article. Thrombosis and pancreatic neoplasms are both major subjects for the article, which means the article is likely relevant to our research topic. You can also search for subject headings on the CINAHL homepage. First, head to the CINAHL homepage and select CINAHL Headings. Then, type in your terms. Let's search for kidney stones. In the search results, we see the subject term for kidney stones is kidney calculi. Then we can add the term to our search by selecting the checkbox and the Add to Search button. By searching for additional terms, we can add additional subject headings to our search. For example, let's search for low-sodium diets. The subject term for low-sodium diets is diet sodium restricted, which we can also add to our search by selecting the checkbox and the Add to Search button. Once you are done compiling your search terms, select the Search button. Now the search results include only articles tagged with our chosen subject headings. You can also find standardized terms for brands in CINAHL. For example, if you are searching for Advil, you'll use the subject heading ibuprofen to find relevant articles. So now you've created a search strategy using subject headings and have found an article you want to use for your assignment. Now it's time to talk about citations. Select the Cite button and select the citation style required by your assignment. A word of caution. These citations are computer-generated and are usually incomplete, so make sure you check them against your style guide for accuracy. And there you have it. A quick guide to finding medical articles using subject terms in CINAHL. If you have any questions or need further assistance, reach out to the library at library@uni.edu.